Still on the crime scene, the police say they killed a man and seized the firearm they say he used to fire at them during an alleged shootout along the Fullerswood to Mountainside Main Road in St. Elizabeth today. They say sometime close to 6 this morning they got a call that men were attempting to break into a wholesale at Round Hill in Mountainside District. When they arrived on the scene, the cops say about 6 men on 3 motorbikes challenged them, and in an exchange of gunfire, one of the men was hit. He was pronounced dead at hospital. Reports are that this is the 4th time thieves have attempted to break into the wholesale. The residents say the community is being plagued by robbers who steal just about anything, including animals. They say they're unable to call the Black River Police Station because the phone lines have been down since Hurricane Beryl, and it makes it difficult to reach the police for the police to catch the robbers. They're calling for greater presence of the Black River Police in the community to offer them more protection.